My name is Zach, and the three websites that I examined or liked that I examined were Brain Pop, Kia, and Who Knew It. Um, Brain Pop, I I used that actually in elementary, and that was I liked that, and it gives you a whole bunch of topics like it could be history, math, arts, reading, etc. And it had like one. I just picked a random. I just picked I picked history because I like history, and uh, I chose World War II, and then it gave me like a video lecture, like it tell me like what happened, and but it also lead to like other things such as like the Holocaust, Pearl Harbor, and all that. And it also had like assignments, games, which I could see that being useful to like for like elementary and maybe middle school levels. Um, Kia, I used that in middle school in my science classes, which my teacher created an online or created a review on there, and uh, it was pretty useful. Like, I mean, it was fun because like he'd split us up, and we'd like into two teams, and whoever got the most point, or he'd just split us up. Sometimes we'd have more than one team, but we'd like answer the question for points, and if you got it, and whoever had the most points won. Um, and plus, like I could also review it at home as well, so I didn't have to just use it at school. Um, who knew it can teach you about other things like some things I noticed were it could teach you how to use Blackboard, Microsoft, um, Microsoft Office, like some of the applications, as well as Google. And I I couldn't find how much they were the sites cost, but I think as a like if a school was paying for it, I think or I mean or uh, I think the cost would be worth it for because these are some like really good source like education websites to use as teachers. My experience using Kia, I didn't have any problems with it, and I could possibly see myself using it as a future teacher, maybe. Uh, I'm, I mean, I could do like what I did, and I could create a quiz for like safety test. I'd probably if I had a shop class with middle schoolers, yeah, that's probably something I'd use, but for high schoolers, probably not. But like I created a safety test review or quiz review, whatever. I had like I picked five things. So like my topics were general safety, planer, joiner, or planer slash surfacer, joiner, bandsaw, and I can't remember that last one I used. Hand tools. That was it. And I had five questions per each, and it had like each question was worth a certain amount of points. And then my other one, I did like a matching, which you could do like it had terms or it had tools and it had descriptions of like what the tool was. Like, and you can use like I left like you can view it as like note cards or you can do some sort of matching. Um, after researching the OER, um, I mean I think it's pretty important for future teachers because it has lesson plans and modules that like other teachers have taught and but and you could just like it doesn't have to be your own. Like you, if it's like maybe I want to do that, you can change it up a little bit. But it had lesson plans, modules, assignments, everything on there. Um, so yeah, that's it.